Premier Trailer Leasing is constantly innovating new services and technology to keep your business running smoothly. Our customer dashboard gives you all the tools you need to manage your fleet right at your fingertips. This powerful web-based interface is both convenient and comprehensive, giving you access to all your account information from the location and status of your fleet to financial and administrative details. With just a click, you can view rental agreements, trailer registrations, and FHWA documentation, check damage notifications, review invoices, and automate payments with Premier Pay Pro. And we understand that maximizing trailer utilization is key to optimizing business performance. Our Fleet Locate system provides real-time GPS tracking and geofencing for all your leases and rentals. It gives you near pinpoint location updates on your entire fleet and records actual mileage based on GPS data. Our smart technology offerings also include advanced cargo sensing that can reliably and accurately determine cargo load status and help you optimize the space in trailers or dry containers. And Premier's advanced reefer fleet management system will put you in control of your cold chain operations and help you stay compliant with Food Safety Modernization Act regulations using our two-way remote control and real-time monitoring of your reefer fleet. You can count on Premier to deliver innovation and smart technology to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and simplify your world. Premier, a new lease on trailer leasing.